Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the 3DS off completely. Hold the power button until the screen goes black. Once done, remove charger and game cartridges so nothing obstructs the battery door or SD slot. Make sure you have a clean, static-free surface, and if you can, touch a metal object to discharge static. This reduces risk of corrupting files or damaging the card. Next, flip the device and locate the small SD card slot cover. We'll open that in the next step. Now, flip the console so you're looking at the bottom edge and find the labeled SD slot cover. You'll use your fingernail or a plastic pry tool to open the cover. Do this gently to avoid breaking the latch. Once the cover is open, press the card inward briefly. Most 3DS models use a push-to-eject spring. You'll feel a small click, and the card will pop out slightly. You should only handle the card by its edges to protect the contacts. With the card popped out, pull it straight away from the slot by the edges. Do not bend or touch the gold contacts. Put the card into a protective case or anti-static sleeve and label it if you manage multiple cards. Make sure the console's slot cover is closed before powering on. If the system doesn't recognize the card later, try reinserting it cleanly, inspect the contacts for dirt, and test another known good card to isolate whether the issue is card or console related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.